What's up guys, Cam here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie a necktie. Okay guys, as you can see I have untied my tie. To begin, this is side A and this is side B. Adjust the tie so that side A is twice the size as side B. This is something that you have to play with a little to get the feel for. Take A and turn it over and under side B. Then you take A and you put it up through the loop in the middle. Then you take A and you slide it through the knot that you made. Then you take the knot and you slide it up B. Now all you have to do is put your collar down. And put B through the little loops in under the A, and boom. And now you have a 4-in-1 knot. Now all you have to do is put in your tie clip. Bonus tips. To eliminate wrinkles, allow 2 or 3 days between wearings. Never leave your necktie knotted after you take it off. I know it's easy to just loosen the knot and slide it over your head, but it'll get really wrinkled if you do that. Hang your ties up after each wearing, and most wrinkles will disappear. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, and check back for future videos. Thanks.